Hey guys, it's me, Cool Husky here, and I'm here with Cool Claws. I'm trying to figure out what a Pushki is, but it did that. Hold on. Pushki! Oh my god. Hold on. I'm back, and this... Why? Pushki. It's that, hold on, I'll be back. So yeah, that's what I had to type in to get a Pushki. They actually look so cute. Hey, good class, good class, good class, good class, good class. Are those it?
No.
Alright.
It's Pitbull and Husky.
Dang it. Hold on, I'll be back. Yay! I finally found it. Yes, they're cute. I finally found it after like 4 attempts, maybe 5. I don't know, but they look so adorable. Hold on, I have to go to images. They look very, very adorable. Look at them. Hold on. No. Class. Which one is your favorite out of them?
That one.
Yeah, one. I actually agree. This one is pretty freaking adorable. Just imagine owning. I found a puppy! I found a puppy! Look at the puppy! Look at the puppy! I found a 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 puppy! It's a puppy. Yeah, well, this is the shortest video I have ever done. It's only been 2 minutes long. Probably gonna do an outro with Xavier. So yeah, ready?
Okay, Cool Claws.
Husky and Cool Claws signing out. See ya. Have a nice day. Look at the puppy.